All right, well, this is a bit of a fun video. A year later, actually, probably 14 months later, and the back of the car, and actually the entire body shell is now done. So let me go over what I did here. Going by the original video, I replaced this bottom section, that whole lower cross member. I patched this, and I repaired the trunk lock section. I put on brand new quarters. One of the first things I did when I got the car is I melted this lead out before getting ready to replace these quarters. There was some half quarters on here when I bought it that weren't put in all that well, and at the end of the day there was damage to this quarter, and I needed to, after really digging into it, I needed to do the outer wheelhouses, which I originally wasn't going to do. So at that point I just decided to do the full quarters, and I got these brand new from a guy out in New Brunswick who had them. Long story there, but they're brand new reproductions that he ended up getting in error. So I bought those off him, which worked out to be okay. And let's go inside the trunk here. I rebuilt this whole section in here, and I put new trunk drops. This has all been put back. Same with this section, this is all back. What else can I show you here? Let's see. Where's my light? Frame rails. Put new frame rails on each side. And there is this section of floor there that I replaced that was right above the torque box there that was not repaired well last time. And I got new outer wheelhouses, new trunk drops. What else? Everything's fitted. Oh, and I got a new trunk lid. The one, I had 3 in total, and they were all pretty bad under this seam. And after some crowning of this with wood and flexing, I've got it fitting pretty good. There's a little bit here. Once the car's on its wheels, fully on its suspension, I'm gonna gap the corners there just a little bit. But really happy with the way these fit. The only thing is it's just a hair tight here, which is actually not even bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and gap it. And I did end up doing a repair patch right here on the back of the rocker, and a repair patch from here. You can kind of see the line there all the way forward, which I didn't want to do, and I ended up repairing behind the 8-pillar hinge there. And what else? Same thing on this side. This side got more rocker work. This one I replaced right from here to here. So probably about a 16-inch section. And then from here all the way. So the only original part of the rocker is right here. The rest of it I just replaced with parts off a Montego convertible I had that had really excellent mint rockers. So I just replaced that. And I also did had to cut this whole outer piece off, get rid of rust, and weld this back on. Other than that, the rest of the car. So on the back here, roughly about 400 hours in total. And actually, here, just before I finish, I'll show you where I'm at now. The entire underside has now been completely wire wheeled, getting ready for some Osfo rust converter, then some primer, and then paint. And then that'll be that'll be complete. The AMD sells these filler panels, the back panel, there's another piece up here, the full quarters, and it all fits really quite nice. So it's a big milestone for me, and gonna get the bottom painted here and move on to some other stuff. Finally, the main body shell is completed, so I feel pretty good about that. 26 months of work, including the front end, about 800 hours. So